Morning, guys. It's early, 6:30. Meeting up with Cody this morning. We're gonna go pick him up here in our little town, and got a little church we meet at. Gonna go pick him up, and then we're gonna head straight to the woods. It's kind of starting to break daylight already. You can see it out there. So he's got a second season muley tag to fill. It's just for meat, and to learn the experience. He's never killed a big game animal before. It's doe tag, so should be pretty easy. I'm not gonna jinx this or nothing, but I mean, we have does all over up here, so it shouldn't be a huge problem to fill it. We're hoping we can get it done this morning, so y'all come along with us and enjoy the hunt. So we'll see y'all in the woods. Alright, pick Cody up. How cold is it?
That's a little cold. It's like 19 degrees.
Yep. You ready to kill something though?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it. Let's get going. Alright, we just glassed up 2 does at our second spot here, so we got about 300 yards to make a stalk on them. So we're gonna get in position, and then we'll pick y'all back up from there. Okay, don't shoot the buck.
The third one up on top is still the buck.
Wait till the doe is broadside.
Probably gonna go for the left one.
Okay, do you have a doe broadside yet?
No.
Okay.
He's still walking right at us.
Alright, no worries. Alright, put it right in her shoulder and let her have it when you're... Right there, that bottom one. Squeeze off. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, you nailed her.
Did I get it?
Yeah, buddy. Give me 5. Yes, dude. Your first deer.
Heck yeah, it's coming this way.
How you feel, dude?
I was kind of nervous.
Dude, you made a perfect shot, bro. Heck yeah,
I think
son.
it's coming straight down there.
Yeah, you nailed her, dude.
But the other one didn't even care.
I know. Dude. That's how we do it. Give me some skin. You hooked now?
Oh yeah. Holy crap, dude. I didn't realize how much I was shaking until just now.
Dude.
That one still didn't even care. They're both sitting, including the buck. Oh, actually, I don't see the buck anymore.
Cody just shot his first deer. How you feeling?
Pretty good.
Was that exciting?
I was shaking a lot more than I thought I should.
I don't know what happened in the excitement of everything. I was trying to get the camera on the deer, and I don't know what I did, but you'll have to excuse it.
That's all right.
But hey, we're hunters first and videographers second. So if it comes down to making it count, we're gonna make the shot happen first. But all these deer are just still standing here staring at us. All right, let's go.
How do you want to get down there?
Let's go blood trailer. I don't think we're gonna have no problems finding her. Well, yeah, we'll just head straight down.
Just straight through the thicket?
Yep. So here's Cody, and there's a buck. You looking for your girlfriend, buddy? She's gone. They're not too spooked from the shot. They're still kind of milling around. There she is.
There it is. I got it.
Made an excellent shot, dude. Oh yeah, dude, as good as it gets. That's a mature doe too, bro. Money. Yes, sir. That's awesome, dude.
Right, let's get her a picture of me.
Yep. One, go.
Hey there. We were driving down the truck. We saw a whole bunch of hunters everywhere. We decided we'd pull off an area that they weren't. We decided to go ahead and glass the side of the field. And we ended up seeing 2 at the moment. So we're like, all right, well, let's get at them. Let's go ahead and take care of them. As we get closer, on the other side of the ridge, there's probably 12 different hunters all throughout the mountains, give or take. So they were kind of scaring the deer our way, which was good. After a while, we thought we spooked them away or they went down the gully. So we backtracked, and there they were right there. So we started heading down the hill, and they were not really too scared of us. So we got within about 200 yards, and I popped her.
Yep.
Right as she
Made a
came
great
broadside,
shot,
right behind
dude.
the tree.
Heck yeah.
Right through the shoulder.
Opening
came up
morning,
beside the ribs.
tagged out.
Opening morning, ready to go.
Now we got to get her out of this back country. Truck's over that big ridge, but we'll make it. Heck yeah. Sweet. That's how we took one out, huh? Well, we tried dragging her and taking turns backpacking her as far as we could. And we made it to the top of the ridge, but the road or the main trail wasn't very far, but we were just dying. So we're just gonna go grab the truck, park close to her, and go gut her, and it'll be a lot easier. So Cody got his workout in. Hey, everybody's in shape until they gotta drag a deer out of the woods, I'm telling you. It's hard work. Opening morning, tagged out. Let's go. All right, we made it back to the old Chevy. Got the packs. And gonna make this easier on us. Me and Cody were about dead. But she's only about 100 yards from us now, so we got it. What's up, guys? Figured I'd close this video out. All in all, we had a great, successful day. Second season. Opening morning, Mule down. So that's Cody's first deer. I hope he had a incredible time. I know I did, enjoying watching him kill his first deer ever. That's a great experience, wonderful memory to take with you. So stay tuned to the channel. I got some other hunts coming up for the year, and some plans for future stuff. So thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.